We started this kayak trip in Redbud Isle, and you can actually use the Google Maps and drop a little person and you can follow this exact route that we took. You need to arrive early if you plan to park anywhere near the river, especially Redbud Isle. The river in this section is wide and slow moving. If you bring one car, you can turn around at any point. The route we took was about 6 miles from Redbud Isle all the way to Longhorn Shores. Overall, this is a very relaxing and scenic place to paddle. Austin has a lot of places where you can rent a kayak or a paddleboard, so make sure you come out and give it a try.